Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we'll be opening this 5-pack, which is called Hot Wheels Sports. And the first one is actually Skate Gram. Second is a Subaru Brat, Tour de Fast, Rockster, and Quad Road. So let's open this up and see how they look like. There's the box. So let's see. So we have here, the first one is the skateboarder, Skate Gram. It's actually a bottle opener. You guys can see in the bottom. You can open drinks with it. So it's pretty cool. The wheels are yellow. There's a little graphs. And it says Skate Gram right between the legs. So there's a skateboarder. Let's do the fifth one, which is a Quad Road 4-wheeler, 1-seater. There's a logo, Hot Wheels in the red. Number 8. So here's the bottom, wheels. It's in yellow. Let's see how it goes. It's actually pretty smooth. Actually not bad. So there's that one. Let's see, number 3 is actually Tour de Fast, which has 2 bicycles at the back. Mountain biking logo, biker logo. There's some, I don't know what this is. Some blue, like a star logo on it. Here's the bottom. It's kind of like a weird looking car. I don't even know, is this real or just like one of the phantom cars or whatever they call it. So kind of interesting. Let's see how it rolls. It's actually pretty smooth. So this whole pack is off-roading, basically for outdoors. So here's that. The number 4 is the Hummer, all in red with some graphics on the side. Pretty simple. And I think this is a maybe H2. It looks like H2. Oh, it does have skateboarders on top of the roof right there. So yeah, it's pretty cool. So there's a I just put it right there. And the one that I'm really looking forward is this Subaru Brat off-road. It's actually off-road, but it does have a graphics on both sides for beach, for surfing. There's also sun right there, birds, and it says surf camp on the side, Hot Wheels. There's the front, the back, the bottom, kind of like gold wheels, and the lights are all in green. The front and back lights, they're not painted, which would have been cool if they are. So let's see how it rolls. Actually, not bad. So, yep. So I'll be keeping this one and this one. These other three, I will be giving it to kids to play with it. And that's it for now. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and thank you all for watching. See you all till next time, and take care. Go Hot Wheels.